Here's another sample video of our flooring app that we're building in-house. So what this allows us to do is use augmented reality, computer vision, to find the edges of the wall, which will lay down a predetermined texture that we've selected. And in the top right-hand corner, you'll notice that it's given an estimation on the square footage that we're using. So that's handy if you don't know the size of your room off the bat. Let's make it a little bit more accurate here by getting some more information for the point cloud. So as we step back, we notice that the tiles, we see 177 square feet based on what's around me right now. I can just touch the screen and I can rotate the flooring so that it makes sense in the room. And then I can pick a different texture as well and rotate any of those textures to see how it would look. And once again, the same principle applies as what I was showing before in the other video. You can get down on the ground and see the detail, as well as get a better estimation of how it looks overall.